Is this not blood? Huh? What happened? School Petunia. Oh, Mwemu. Patube. Ogbosko. What are you guys doing outside?
We are playing.
Very good. I have to go to work now. Time have go. Do you understand?
Okay.
I'll buy something for you guys.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay.
What are you supposed to do outside?
We are playing.
Oh yeah, get up, take your younger ones inside, find them something to eat and prepare them for school. I'm going to the market.
Okay.
Hello, children.
Yeah.
How you guys doing now? Oh, I can see you guys can play, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where's your dad and your mom?
They are not at home.
Oh, they are not at home.
Yes.
I should join you guys to play now. Let's play together.
Yes.
Okay, come, let me play with you. You guys will play.
Okay.
Hey, God of mercy. Hey! But at least, before we look for money, the children we want to take care of with the money, we should always make sure they are in proper hands.